The world is growing. With so many more hungry mouths to feed, global demand for food is rising. Demand could increase from 59 to 98% by 2050. Supply must increase. Efficient farming techniques must be exploited, beginning with hydroponics. In hydroponics, plants are grown in a nutrient solution instead of soil. Nutrients are sent directly to the roots, allowing for greater plant yields, less water consumption, and fewer pesticides. Although initial costs may be high, investing in hydroponics means investing in a better and brighter future for all.